Are you already feeling the stress, anxiety, or emotional tension that tends to build as the holidays get closer? If you're noticing your shoulders start to tighten and creep towards your ears, or maybe your sleep is becoming disrupted, your patience is wearing thin, and you're snapping at your family, your kids, or even random strangers in parking lots, or you're having that familiar feeling of overwhelm starting to rise deep, deep in your body, please know that this is extremely common and you are not alone. For so many people, the holiday season creates a perfect storm. Family dynamics flare, old patterns return, emotional triggers resurface, schedules become overloaded and overwhelming, boundaries get tried and tested, and the pressure to hold everything together in perfect balance often leads directly to you and your mental, emotional, and physical health taking a dive. This is exactly why I created my free holiday survival workshop. This is a supportive, clinically guided class for you to stay grounded, calm, resilient, and fully in control of your emotional and physical well-being throughout this challenging season. There will be a link in the description box and the comments, or you can scan this QR code to enter. I want to share with you why I created this free workshop. I developed it specifically because I personally understand how difficult the holidays can be. I am a medical professional and a wellness educator and a mom with a very active elementary age child. And I found I was feeling overwhelmed, frustrated, angsty, being triggered, and just feeling completely burnt out even before Thanksgiving arrived. I've had to navigate my own set of challenges during this season with family expectations, complicated dynamics, old emotional patterns, overcommitment, travel delays, hosting, cleaning, organizing, supporting my patients through illness spikes, and continuing to show up for my online community. I have lived this. I have felt the strain. I often feel it during the holidays, but I want to share with you, I had to build my own toolbox to stay regulated and emotionally steady throughout the holidays. And I'm sharing that with all of you in my free holiday workshop. I take this workshop every single start to the season. I go through it early October because for us, it really kicks off with my son's birthday, Halloween, huge party that we host, and then we are in that downward slope into the holidays and the new year. So the tools I'll teach you in this workshop are many of the same strategies that I use personally. These are clinically sound methods that have helped me protect my peace. They've helped me manage and balance my central nervous system. They help me maintain healthy boundaries, and I'm able to stay present and, well, even during the I'm able to stay present and healthy even during the chaotic season or through some emotionally challenging family gatherings. I'm going to share with you what you will learn inside this free holiday survival workshop. This is not a surface level class. This is a clinical, practical, real world survival roadmap for the holidays. It doesn't matter if you are a teenager or if you are in your 80s or 90s. Anybody can take this workshop and walk away with powerful resources, tools, and tips, techniques, and even checklists that you can immediately begin to implement today. Inside this workshop, I'm going to guide you through evidence-based nervous system reset techniques. These will help you respond rather than react during emotionally charged interactions. Tools to manage family drama, conflict, and even post-trauma triggers, so you can walk into gatherings with clarity and steadiness. Strategies to maintain healthy boundaries without guilt, including some verbal scripts and ideas that you can actually use that are effective. Learn how to protect your energy and avoid emotional burnout. This is perfect for those who often give too much this time of year. This will make sure that you're grounding in yourself and you're staying true to what your needs require. Clinical protocols for digestion, immunity, and stress resilience. This will help your body stay balanced during traveling, exposure to more sugar than you'd like to eat, alcohol consumption, late nights, and irregular meals. A simple plan to keep you connected with your wellness goals. This ensures you enter January feeling stable, strong, and refreshed, and not depleted. The goal of my holiday survival workshop is to help you feel different during this holiday season. So this holiday season, you can feel different because you deserve to feel calm. You deserve to feel supported. You deserve to feel emotionally steady and physically well, no matter what the season brings. And you deserve access to all these tools without any cost or barriers. That's why this workshop is and will always remain 100% free as a resource for you to optimize your wellness during the busy holiday season. So if you're ready to make this holiday season healthier, calmer, and more emotionally balanced, if you want to walk into gatherings feeling grounded instead of anxious, and if you want to break old patterns and protect your peace, I hope you will join my free holiday survival workshop. Click the registration link that's listed in the description box below, pinned in a comment, and accessible through this QR code. I cannot wait to teach you these tools, the tools that have supported me as a clinician, a wellness influencer, and a very busy mom navigating the realities of life and family during the holidays. Let's get you supported, let's get you grounded, and let's help you enjoy this amazing, joyful season. I look forward to seeing you inside the workshop.